Came across a cool little hobby shop in Spartanburg, South Carolina. As the locals know it, Mason's Hot Rods and Hobbies. Or as you may know it, Mason's Hobbies. Man, this little place was jam-packed with goodness. Was I tickled to death when I come walking in. I'm going to give you a whole tour of the shop. I think you're going to like it. Whether you're into RC, plastic, old stuff, doesn't matter. They've got it all. And they're constantly getting stuff in, too. She had just gotten some stuff in yesterday and was getting ready to unbox it that day. I got there right when the doors opened. I was so excited. Drove a long ways to come to this shop. Just showing some of the goodness right there. I mean, loaded with RC stuff. We're going to get to some plastic if you're into plastic. I'll show you everything. Got some old stuff. Look at that cool stuff in display cases. I mean, this place is jam-packed full of goodness. Their hours are Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, Saturday, 9 to 3, closed Sunday. Mason's Hobbies. Got some neat stuff sitting around that's signed. There's something signed by Carol Shelby. Well, I'd have loved to have gotten something signed by Carol Shelby. A lot of neat stuff. There used to be a hot rod shop in the back. It's no longer. It's been closed down now for a couple years. They used to do a lot of cars for the movie industry. More Lexan bodies. Just kind of giving you a slow pan. We're getting ready to get into some plastic. There's the model cars. A nice selection. Notice they had about one of everything. She said if you're wanting something, they can get it in for you. No problems. And I'll show you more info on the shop with the phone number and stuff at the end. That ProStar Semi kit's a good kit for Mobius. I'm kind of surprised to see that one there. Definitely a good kit to get. There's a kit you don't see too often from Revell right there. The Superliner's a nice kit from AMT. Used to be an artillery kit, actually. The big scale 32 Ford. That thing brought back some memories. When I was a kid, I built that. The big scale 32. And man, were them things huge when you were 8 years old. It was like a real car. Got some promos. Like I said, they got a little bit of everything. This is definitely a shop worth stopping into. If you're ever in the South Carolina area. I like seeing display cases at hobby shops where people, customers or whoever can put their models in the display case. I like seeing that. That's always a nice touch at the hobby shop. Paying you here real slow. Don't want to make anyone dizzy. But they move a lot of stock, and they get stock in non-stop, like I showed at the beginning of the video. I got a whole bunch of boxes in yesterday. She's getting ready to unpack. There's a nice kit right there. Mobius took over those molds. Is doing the Chevys. That 442 from Revell's a great kit. Another nice kit, that Coronet kit. You get that trailer with it, which is cool. I love getting trailers and extra stuff in the kits. There's a nice kit. A little pricey, but you know what? There's 3 kits in that kit. You got the station wagon, the race car, and a trailer. You can't go wrong with that. 3 kits. It's whatever a kit costs times 3, and that is less than the times 3 price. Just a bunch of goodness. Goodies, goodies, goodies. Nice little overall shot right there of some kits. Yeah, that Revell 442 down there, I kind of voted for that to be Kit of the Year last year. It was a great kit. And they got some older stuff too. She goes, it's always hit and miss. You never know with the older stuff. There's an old AMX kit. She said they have old stuff there all the time. Just never know what they're going to have. Another one of them 3-in-1s, the drag combo. Take you to the next aisle. Bunch of gopher stickers, or stickers, decals. Gopher decals. Why did I say stickers? More supplies. I was really surprised at all the supplies they have, and aftermarket stuff. They're loaded with aftermarket stuff. And the nice thing about this store, all the aftermarket stuff was not locked up in a display case. So you can physically see it. You don't have to get with someone and say, hey, can you unlock this? And wait for them to get the key. And But everything was out, which was really nice. I like that. All your Tamiya tapes. The only tape that I recommend you use on model kits is Tamiya tape. It will not pull your paint. All your X-Acto blades. The Tamiya paint holder. Put your car body on it while you spray paint. They got your magazines. There's a contest annual. We'll flip through this and see what's in it. Go through it really quick. In fact, while I'm flipping through that, I'm going to take a little sip of coffee right now. Drinking some hot coffee, putting this video together, and reliving me walking through Mason's Hobbies. This is cool. Definitely recommend the Contest Cars issue. Auto Modeler Magazine, if you want to see inside any of the Auto Modeler magazines, I do a page by page of every single Auto Modeler magazine. Those are back in my archives. You have to check those out. Make sure to subscribe if you dig these hobby shop videos, because I go to a lot of hobby shops, and I've got a lot of hobby shops in my archives you might want to check out. But make sure you subscribe. You get the latest video on the latest hobby shop that I go to. And I have plenty more hobby shops on the calendar that I'm heading to. More Lexan bodies on the back wall. That whole back wall is loaded with Lexan bodies. And the Tamiya paint for the Lexan bodies. Swing you back. That's where we come from. Gonna go down this aisle. We'll go down every single aisle. I'll show you everything. They even had a nice supply of Diecast up there. I'm not into Diecast anymore. There's a couple cars I have, and I've been gifted a few that I cherish and keep. Now that was cool. That Wrecker and the car hauler, those are cool. I mean, there's some cool Diecast out there. That's kind of why I had to get away from collecting Diecast, because there's way too many I like. And I just started accumulating way too many, and it was taking up too much room and too much money. But yeah, I love the Diecast. Nothing wrong with them, and they are sweet. It's amazing the paint jobs they get on them Diecast. It's amazing the paint jobs they get on the slot cars. That's what blows my mind. There's more Diecast cars in there. Yeah, I love the Diecast. Absolutely love them. Take you into this aisle. Getting into some RC stuff. A little bit of everything on RC. Again, I think this shop had one or two of everything that's offered in the hobby. And I was most impressed by all the supplies that you would need to build a model, and all the extra goodies that you could add on to your model. Now in the RC department, they had some of the popular ones. Of course, they had more than one or two of. There's that back wall again. That was the entrance into the hot rod shop back in the day, which is no longer. She said it was closed about 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, depending on when you're watching this. This is February 2026, so it's been closed for over 2 years. your paints, your tester's paints, your Model Master. Of course, they've been fading out in Model Master. She said she'll get rid of those racks after all the Model Master paints are gone. More paints. There is my favorite spray paint right there. I love that spray paint. That is my favorite spray paint. That Tester's Extreme Lacquer or Tester's One Shot. Love that line of paint. If you want to try a spray paint, try that line of paint right there. There's about 19 colors plus a clear. I think there's 20 different cans. Your Tamiya paint. That is also my favorite spray paint. There's your Tamiya paint in bottles. I use a lot of that also. Definitely my 3 favorite paints right there. The 2 cans and bottles. I showed you that Diecast display case. Bring you around slowly to this aisle. Sorry if I'm kind of swinging too fast. I'm trying to keep it steady here. Obviously more RC. Getting into the big boys now. And they've got everything RC. Your boats, airplanes, cars obviously. Them boats are just cool as heck. Tell you what, if I lived on a little pond or a lake, I mean a few of them boats. Them big old cigar boats are awesome. And them suckers move. Look at those. RC's come a long way since I was a kid. More RC trucks. Got a few stadium trucks. That Bronco looked cool too. I like that. Bunch of Traxxas stuff. Your Slash. I got one of the Slash stadium trucks. It's quite a bit older. Probably going to have to update it someday. All the goodness in the display cases. Is that nice? Is that cool or what? I'm telling you, this place, this little candy shop right here. I'm kidding, a candy store. I think you're going to feel the same way too. Yes, they do work on RC cars. There's where they work on them at. The reason there's no one in the shop right now, because I'll probably get comments and say, oh, there was no one in there. There's all your tires and wheels on the back wall. There's that back wall. Kind of give you a little swing around. We started to clear down there. Kind of come through here. But the reason there's no one in there right now is because I was out in the parking lot before they opened. And the second she opened the door, I went in there. I wanted to get it filmed before there was anyone in there because I knew it was going to get busy. Because I went to a model contest the very next day called the Hope It Don't Snow Show. I'll plug that in right here, the thumbnail of it. You can go to that thumbnail, or you can go to that video on my channel and watch the Hope It Don't Snow Show, and you can watch the swap meet if you'd like. But it was an excellent show. So glad I went. So glad I made the trip to South Carolina to this hobby shop, Mason's Hobbies, and to the Hope It Don't Snow model car contest and swap meet. Great time, great time. But go check out those 2 videos if you want to see some good contest coverage and good swap meet. And go in my past archives and check out some hobby shops. Here's a flyer of the Hope It Don't Snow show that I went to. That was it. So I was there January 16th because the show was the very next day. But what a cool hobby shop. Mason's Hobbies. Spartanburg, South Carolina. If you dug that, let me know down below. Here's the information of the hobby shop, phone number, and their business card. We will see you guys on the next video on Throttle Power.